I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's the cords inside the tire relaxing after I just let all the air out of it. When it's making that noise, especially when you're filling it up, it typically means you got ply separation, whether it's in the sidewall or the tread itself. But either way, the tire is going to explode. This is an older trailer, and we're just filling the tires up to get rid of it. But I did already have one go on me, and that's what kind of happens. So when you hear that sound where it sounds kind of like a zipper, someone's pulling on a zipper really, really slow, it's because these cords are starting to let loose inside there. You can see that. And these tires were flat when we brought it in here. We figured, maybe it just came from sitting, but nope, that's a pretty for sure sign that someone drove with them flat. I've seen it many, many times. This is the first time I've actually been able to catch it on video, so I figured I'd share it with you. Okay, bye.